2G Limited was started in 2012 and it's a subsidiary of a German company based in Heek in northeast Germany. A client of ours had a requirement for a low noise solution, particularly low noise in this instance. It was 35 dBA at 10. We are able to provide solutions for 65 at 10 and as low down as 45 at 10, but that's using standard steel containers. So in this instance we had to look at alternatives. With a lot of work with our colleagues in Germany, we came up with the idea about using a concrete enclosure. So the unit that you can see behind us is the end product. Comes in two parts, a lower half and the upper half, so it can be transported easily from Germany. And by using concrete with its density, meaning that we get lower attenuation properties, we were able to meet very stringent 35 dBA at 10 meters. The unit behind us has a Generator 306, which is one of the range from 2G, and that generates 250 kilowatts of electricity, and it's also highly electrically efficient at approximately 41%, which is important for electrical generation, but also for CHP. The CHP was successfully delivered, installed and commissioned in July 2014 to the complete satisfaction of our customer. More importantly, the stringent noise specifications of 35 dBA at 10 were achieved.
Well, what we were looking for is a very quiet CHP containerised unit, so that we could minimise the noise impact in this very rural area. We've got very low background noises of 20 dB, and in order to comply with sort of various planning requirements and not to interfere with our neighbours, we wanted a very quiet unit, and 2G offered two units, a 45 dB unit and more latterly the 35 dB unit, and this was of great interest to us, so that we could minimise that noise impact whilst still sort of keeping an eye on the efficiencies of the engine and electrical generation. Well, when we commissioned the engine, local residents asked us 2 or 3 weeks afterwards when we were going to start, and I sort of gladly told them that we'd been running for 2 to 3 weeks, and they were very impressed with the fact that they could not hear this unit at all, which was one of their main concerns about this development.
The feed-in tariff currently for units below 500 kilowatts and in between 250 kilowatts is where the majority of our work is taking place. We also have customers in the natural gas applications as well. Just finished doing an installation for Leicester Hospital. Biogas applications are certainly keeping us extremely busy at the minute. However, for the future, we think the level of biogas applications will start to decrease as the feed-in tariff decreases. So we are also concentrating on the natural gas market, which is also a good application for the CHP units.
Once again, 2G Energy Limited demonstrated that we were not simply an engine packager, but a solution provider using innovative solutions to meet our customers' demanding requirements.